Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today we will be starting with lesson number 1 of our English grammar book. The name of the lesson is Looking Up a Dictionary. What are guide words? Guide words are the two words at the top of each page of a dictionary. One on the left side, which is the first word of the page, and another on the right side, which is the last word of the page. These words tells us what words we can find on that particular page. Dear students, now we will be starting with the first exercise. In this exercise, 3 pages of the dictionary with their guide words are given. Also, below it we are given the words and we have to find out that these words lie on which page number. The first is reality. By checking each letter of the word reality, we will find out that whether it lies between the re and the relim guide words of page number 370 or between the reap and reception, the guide words of page number 371, and between recess or rectangle, the guide words of the page number 372. To find it, we will check the each letter of the word reality, and we will find that the reality will lie on page number 370. Likewise, we will check that the next word recommend lie on which page number. By checking each letter of the word recommend and finding out that it lie between the guide words of which page number. We will find that it lies on page number 372. Likewise, we will be finding the remaining words that they lie on which page number. After that, we will arrange these words in the alphabetical order. First, page number 370, page number 371 and page number 372. You all will try to solve this exercise yourself and you can check your answers from the answer key provided. Exercise number 2. In this we can see that page 80 of a dictionary is given with its guide words, and also 12 words are given below, and we have to find out that the words given below whether they lie on page number 80 or before page number 80 or after page number 80. Likewise, we will check each letter of the word given and check whether it lie between the guide words of the page given. And we will find that chili lies after page number 80. Second, chase, it will also lie after page number 80. That is, it will lie on any page other than page number 80. Next, cheese, word will also lie on the page after page number 80. And likewise, we will solve the exercise. Try to do the exercise yourself and check your answer from the answer key provided. Next, in an encyclopedia also, informations are given in alphabetical order. Now, using the letter of the word encyclopedia, we have to make at least 10 words containing 4 letters or more. That is, we have to frame 10 words with 4 letters or more using the letters of the word encyclopedia. That is, first we will begin with E. we can find any word from any word beginning with E. For example, E for energy, and so on. N, C, Y, C, L, O, P, E, D, I, A. But since C and E are repeating twice, we will take them only once. And after framing the word ourselves, we will, in the next part, we will arrange those words in the alphabetical order. I hope you have understood the exercise and try to do the answer yourself, and you can check your answer from the answer key provided. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay blessed.